Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sue, and today I wanted to share with you my 5 most repurchased skincare products of all time. So these are things that I have purchased not only 2 or 3 times, but numerous times over the years. Now, a little bit about my skin. I'm 51 years old. I have fine lines, enlarged pores and wrinkles, and I do have normal combination skin. And I also wear sunscreen and makeup almost every single day. So these are products that are tried and tested, that I have bought multiple times over the last few years. There are a lot of products that I do repurchase, but these are probably the products that I have purchased the most. So just wanted to share these with you, and we're going to start off without any further ado. So the first product, if you do watch any of my empties videos, this one will come as no surprise. In fact, none of them are probably going to come as a surprise, but just to remind you anyway. The first one is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Now I love this, and I use it just to take off my eye makeup. It really is an affordable eye makeup remover. I haven't found any other eye makeup remover that does as good a job and that's as good value as this is. So I really swear by this for that reason. I do use it in a pinch to take off my other makeup. It's really good for that, but I do prefer a double cleanse. But this I will continue to purchase. It's just such a really good eye makeup remover. The next product is also part of my cleansing routine, and that is my Even Zero Calm Lipid Replenishing Oil. Now, absolutely love this as well. It's just such good value for money. You get 400 ml, it's under 300 Rand, and this will last you a long time. So I use a pump of this in my cleansing routine. This is the first thing I go in with, a pump of this all over a dampened face, and this takes off the bulk of my makeup. It's a kind of gel oil consistency, you could describe it as. So it comes out looking like that, and then you just lather it up with a little bit of water. I'm just going to add a little spritz of water to this, and it kind of, you can't really see it here, but it kind of turns into a kind of gel. So it's like an oil gel cleanser. It's really gentle on the skin. You can also use it for your body. It is actually designed for your body. I happened upon this a few years ago, and I thought I'm going to try it as a first cleanse in my makeup cleansing routine, and it just worked out so beautifully. But I just love it. It's really such good value for money if you compare mil by mil to other makeup removers. And it's just quick and it's easy to use, very gentle on the skin, and really just a fantastic product. So really love that one. Another product that I love and have also been buying over the years, and that is the Este Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now, this is the new formula. They have evolved this product every few years. They reformulate it. They've gone from the glass packaging to plastic packaging. They've now gone back to the glass bottle. And I really love this. This has got some kind of yeast extract in it, this version. And it's supposed to do a whole plethora of wonderful things to your skin. And I really love this. I kind of feel like it's my insurance policy serum. So I do try a lot of other serums, and I always come back to this one. I just really adore it. I also do get this on special. This is the 75 ml, which I purchased for the price of the 50 ml. So they do have specials on Black Friday, Mother's Day, a couple of other times throughout the year. You just need to keep your eye on the website. But really love this. My 4th most repurchased product is my Nivea Sun Shine Control SPF 50. I really enjoy this. It's a great SPF for foundation. It creates a great base on the face. It's non-sticky, it's non-oily. This one has almost come to its end, so I do cut the tubes open so I can get out the very last remnants. So I do need to replace this. But I have bought this many times over the past few years, and I just enjoy it. It really is affordable, and it makes me feel like I can use quite a good dollop of it on my skin, because I'm not kind of watching the price, as you might tend to do with more expensive sunscreens because you don't want to use them up. Sunscreen is definitely something that you need to use generously, and so that's why I love this one. Another one which I have repurchased frequently, which doesn't form part of the 5, but I just wanted to give it a shout out. It's also the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Sharka Fluid, and this is in SPF 50. And I do alternate these two, but this one is probably, it's more than twice the price of this one. So I really love them both, but the Nivea is definitely my most repurchased. And finally, my last product is good old Retina. So this I get on prescription. It's 0.05%. This is the highest prescription you can get in South Africa. We don't get the 0.1%. I have been using this for the last 5 years, and I really swear by it. I think, well, we know that Retina is the gold standard in terms of anti-aging, and so this is something I wouldn't be without. I do take breaks in using it, so I can't say that I have used it consistently over 5 years. I do go through phases where I tend to give it a little bit of a break, but I still come back to it time and time again, and so it is definitely one of my most repurchased products. So guys, those are my 5 most repurchased skincare products. Where I have done more in-depth videos on these, I will put the links down below. Let me know what your top 5 most repurchased products are. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.